Yo, it's crazy outside, it's snowing, but you know, no snow is gonna stop me from getting McDonald's. So, let's go get some McDonald's. Put out the shoes. Let them check out the shoes real quick. You already know what it is, man. You know what it is, the Yeezys. Best shoes in the world. The greatest shoes in the world. Let's go get some McDonald's. You know what everyone's thinking right now? Do you wanna know? They're all thinking, who is this stupid idiot driving a goddamn Corolla in the snow? Like, are we just dumb? Bro, what is the point of this? Like, look how slow I'm going right now. I could run there faster than this. You gotta be a good camera person. You gotta, you know, get it on me.
No, I don't want to be a camera person, okay?
Yo, relax. Hey, this is your idea.
Yeah, but not to record.
Why not record?
I don't like recording.
You never know, something could happen. Alright, we're on the road. We're on the main road. Yeah. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. I want to put the radio on, but I want to get copyright strikes, so I could just sing. Trap, 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 money, Benny. And she got me in my feelings. Dun, dun, dun. Gotta be real with it. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say I never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, get the road. Can you please change the camera? Look, and the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me. Feel free to sing along. Gotta be real with it. Good morning. Good morning. I'm a drift at the stop, okay? Have you ever watched Need for Speed? Oh, I'm not gonna go. We're not gonna. I could've went, man. Okay, now we can drive slow, homie. Put your hazard lights on when you see them hoes. Drive slow, homie. When you ride around the city with nowhere to go, drive slow, homie. Ain't no weather gonna stop us from getting on McDonald's, man. We gotta get on McDonald's, right? Are we not?
Shut up.
Are we not? Are we not gonna get on McDonald's right now? Am I this annoying off camera?
Yes.
Why didn't you say no? Everyone's gonna think I'm annoying. I am pretty annoying. Should we get ice cream? What, do you want anything?
No.
Why did you? Really?
Huh?
Man, you just came for me. I feel like I'm such a fatty.
Tell me you have the coupon.
Yes.
If we just move forward to the last window, it should be $5.25 with your coupon ready.
Okay, thank you. We got the McDonald's. So you already know we secured the bag. You know, secure the bag alert. And yeah, so we got McDonald's. So, you know, I can drive faster now. Oh, speed bump. Oh, soup say. Yeah. What's up? What's up? The snow ain't nothing to me, man. The snow ain't nothing to me right now, man. I'm still out here doing it. Look at these bums. Get a car, bum. Yeah, what the hell are you looking at? You already know we're doing it right now, man. Nothing. There's nothing right now, man. I'm from New York, alright? All you complaining, all you saying, oh, I need my snow tires, you know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing, man. I'm driving a Corolla right now, man. What we driving right now? What we driving right now? It's a question. We drive a Corolla, man. We drive a Corolla. It ain't got no snow tires. Ain't got no winter tires. It's got the mo summer tires on it, man. Summer tires, alright? With the 24s. Shovel that shit.
Okay, just concentrate on the road, though.
I am.
Go slow.
What am I looking, dude? I'm going like 50 right now, man.
You should be 30.
I know. I'm going 30. I'm literally going 35. It just feels like I'm going fast. Wow, look at these kids, man, living life. That's what life is about right there. That's what life is about. Have fun. Have fun. Make the most out of everything. That's what life is all about.
Okay, move it now.
What? You said go slow? Drive slow, homie. This ain't nothing. Ain't nothing, man. This ain't nothing to me. The snow ain't nothing, man. New York, we out here, man. The Knicks, what's up? I said hands up. Shorty in the VIP and she looking at me right now. I said hands up. Get your dogs off the mother street. Get these little chihuahuas out of here, man. It's snowing out here. What's up, man? The snow ain't nothing to me. The snow ain't nothing to me, dog.
Let mom
Ain't nothing to me,
relax.
man. Ain't nothing to me. I'm from New York, alright?
Okay, let my mom relax.
The snow ain't nothing, dog.
Mom, stop.
Nothing.
Turn it up.
Child's play, man. What's that? I ain't done yet, man. What's up? What's up? Oh, I turned the light off. Sorry. The snow ain't nothing, man. I secured a bag. I know you see it. Huh? Okay, you turn it off. Yeah.